Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Marie. If you are coming back, welcome back again. Thank you for stopping by again. So today I'm bringing you guys this box braids wig that I made. As you guys can see, it's very long. It's very pretty. And it's, anybody can wear it. If you're someone that don't like to get your hair braided, this is a go for you. You can take advantage. You can always wear these. You don't have to worry about someone pulling and tugging your hair. So if you guys is interested in seeing how to make this box braid wig, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, to start, so we have this. I'm using a mannequin head, and I think the size is a 21, so you can use it. I have like a 21, and I think a 23 or 22, I'm not sure, but you can basically get your head size, and they're from Amazon. So I'm using this frontal that I had before that I used. I tried to make this bob wig and it didn't turn out well, so I never really used the front of my head yet. So I decided to remove it again and then decided to use it to make this box braid wig. So basically, it's like a new frontal. So we're gonna sew it in the dome mesh cap, and I'm using the dome mesh cap because it's more breathable and it's like easy to use with the needle. So if you guys notice those white stuff on my frontal, it's nothing. It's basically just hot glue gun that I use because that's what I used before to try to make the wig that I was trying to make. So it's really nothing. I'm not worrying about it. It will fall off easily. So I already sewed the frontal in. So now we're gonna get to the next step. We're gonna need a thread. This thread is very strong. It's not gonna go nowhere, so you don't have to worry about that. And I basically just double it once and I tie the ends. So I'm using 3 packs of the Freetress crochet hair, and it's a 30-inch. And I got like 1B color. also this other. So this is already pre-stretched hair, and I got also 3 packs of those, and each pack comes with like 3 bundles inside. So it's like you have like a good amount of hair there. So we're gonna start sewing the first braid, and basically what you see, guys, that like there's like a little hole that you put the needles inside. It's like, so you put the needles through the dome cap and through that little hole, and then you go through the dome cap again, and then you keep tying it. I usually tie like 3-4 times, just until you know that it's like in place. Yeah, as you guys can see, and I put it in the middle of the thread, and I pull it, then I keep tying around her hair, around the circle, basically that little tiny little circle. So basically I had other clips before this one, so I'm sorry you guys that I lost a lot of clip filming this video. Like I literally did lost a lot of clips. So as you guys can see, I skipped through like from like sewing in the first braid to like where I started braiding the frontal. So I apologize for that. But what I basically did was just did like some little, not too big, not too small parts. And I did like a middle part. So yeah, as you guys can see, the frontal looks very nice, and I used the jam gel, like the jam little gel, just a little bit. You don't need a lot, just to make sure the hair stays in place, because if you guys familiar with frontal, they're like all over the place. So you need that. If you're gonna braid it, you need to use that jam, any kind of holding gel that you have in hand, you can use basically. And then here, as you guys can see, it's like all done. I know it was like a fast video, so I didn't get to film. I didn't get to. Well, I filmed the whole video, but I missed a lot of clip. They will not. They will upload when I'm editing, but they will come like very, very, very slow, and I couldn't use them. So I apologize again. I know I said that many times, but I'm kind of upset that that happened. But you guys can see, yeah, it's like a really nice wig. I burned the flyaways. I put it in hot water, the ends, and there you have it. This is the finished look. Very pretty, very long. It's like a go-to style. You can rock this anywhere with any style, basically. It's very long. It's like all the way in my back. Well past my back. Very pretty. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, even though I know it was not perfect. And I'll catch you guys later on. Bye.